Beneath the lamplight's glow, the years had flown, but his smile still stole the show. Beside him stood a love so sweet and new. Her eyes were stars, her laughter cut right through. Once we danced in the moonlit air, now he's dancing with a love so rare. Though my heart aches, I wish him well, for love like that has its tale to tell. His hand in hers, like a promise made of gold, the warmth between them, a story softly told. I stood in shadows, a memory on replay.